Man, you guys already know I love this place. Oh no, I'm so sadness. I'm on my last bites. Last bite, here we go. I'm sad. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if I like the burger more or these fries. Fried onions, cheese, melted cheese on top, bacon, jalapenos, all fried together. I mean, of course this is gonna be delicious. Ooh, oh yeah. That's like onion spaghetti right there. That was a bite of the century. You cannot tell me you've had better fries than that. Whoa.
Let's try BBQ chicken for the first time. This is their new garlic crunch. Golden fried. Take a bite. Tteokbokki.
I haven't seen the sun in days, so I got some McDonald's to cheer my ass up. How you doing? I think this will do the job. And I'm not doing the stupid Monopoly shit. I'm not winning any money. You're not winning any money. Nobody's winning any money. Who even won the Danimals contest back in the day? Double quarter pounder with cheese and bacon. Now that'll make you smile. Quarter pounders are really growing on me. They didn't give me a straw, so my day is ruined again. All right, let's make it up for it. Some Nimrod commented on my TikTok video the other day saying some bullshit like, oh, he's saying that Filipino's really good, but then he'll go to McDonald's or Burger King and say that that's also really good. Because it's really good. I'm still going to think that McDonald's is fantastic. I mean, have you ever had a McChicken? Hora de fray? My favorite, the Big Mac. It's the simple things in life. You just gotta enjoy it and shut the hell up. I'm enjoying this, I'll tell you that right now. A little bit of that sweet and sour. It's just remarkable. Ooh, 2 of these nuggets are stuck together. Low-key the perfect topping for this. Some of that bodacious barbecue sauce. I love McDonald's barbecue sauce. Honestly, all McDonald's sauce is kind of hitting. Ooh, shit. God, that's good. I'd say my day's turned the hell around. I feel great.
Trying every flavor of Bird Code hot chicken tenders. Let's start out with country. This has no spice. This is a good chicken tender. Next we have mild. This is always my go-to flavor when I come here. Next is medium. I love their pickles. There's definitely more heat in this one. This is hot. Oh, it starts to hit you. Good thing I have their cookies and cream milkshake. Now let's just accept my fate. This is the code breaker. Oh my god. I love Bird Code, I love their chicken, but I don't think I can do that code breaker again. That was so spicy. But definitely be sure to check out this chicken spot. They have such high quality food and I definitely recommend it.
What's good, Quay? We're back at Assad's Hot Chicken. Little sauce smoothie. These tenders are as good as I remember them. I haven't tried their mac and cheese before. It would be so good in their chicken sandwich. Damn! Their mac and cheese, bro. Oh my god. That's how wet, cheesy, and creamy a mac and cheese should look. We got ourselves a little tender wrap. The wrap though, damn, it's so soft. If Assad's Hot Chicken is located near a gas station, anything near a gas station is good, bro. A razzle dazzle. Taste strawberry, banana, and a bit of raspberry. This has the right consistency too. Yo, we got the Mac Attack. Half fries, half mac and cheese, and tendies on top. Jesus Christ, their fries are so crispy. This Mac Attack insanely good.
Dave's Hot Chicken. Cheese sauce. Honey. Chicken slider. Nashville hot mozzarella stick. Burger. Chicken crisper. Salsa.
Today I'm gonna be trying the viral pizza bites. First up, let's try their gingerbread bites. That was a heavenly bite. It's stuffed with mozzarella cheese with a layer of garlic creamy pesto, and it's quite greasy from the garlic butter, but it adds so much flavor. Let's try their pepperoni skulls. This one got way too much bread in it and only 2 pieces of pepperoni. Fill it up with some marinara. Now it tastes more like a pepperoni pizza. Next up, we got the 10-inch mozzarella stick. I can't confirm this is 10-inch. That's gotta be a world record somewhere. I love how they dusted garlic parmesan on top. Chili's got some competition. I also got a calzone. Ooh, little bit of sauce. They asked me what filling I wanted, so I opted in for the meat lovers. Ranch on there. For dessert, we got a cannoli. Today, I'm gonna be trying the red chicks, starting with their tenders with the small cup of sauce. This is hands down the crispiest tender I've ever had. I got mine with the Inferno spice, and it is spicy. This is their honey butter chicken sandwich. I love that honey butter combo. It's sweet to help balance out the spices, and their mac and cheese is very creamy. They also just came out with some wings. Start with the Nashville. They nailed these wings. Mango habanero, spicy buffalo, spicy barbecue. I'm a dry rub kind of guy, so I gotta give it to the Nashville, but these are all great options. Chase it with some cheesy tots, potato wedgies. Look how seasoned the corn ribs are. Definitely come check them out and let me know what you think.
Let's eat mash burger. Oh my god. Triple spicy mash. Hot honey. Take a bite. Chicken sandwich, seasoning on this. I love the coleslaw, the pickle, and hot honey, fries with some chicken. It hits every time. Everything's from Mashed Burger in Jersey. Look at the tenders, double smash.
First time trying McDonald's in Rome. This is my first time in Italy. What better way to taste authentic Italian cuisine than some chicken wings? The last time I had chicken from McDonald's was back in Asia. This is their hot double sauce. This is real chicken. They also got spicy nugs. You can even order a side of their Parmesan cheese when in Rome. They got these fries topped with cheese and bacon. Here in Italy, they love tiramisu. So this is my first impression. Tiramisu from McD. This is in fact the wettest thing I've had from McDonald's. The coffee taste is potent. They had an entire McBakery in there. I'm about to go. The Roman police trying to kick me out. They also had strawberry cheesecake. Everything on here tastes like it came straight out of the freezer. They had a Nutella muffin. So thick, tastes like cornbread with chocolate in the middle. They even have donuts. We are in Europe, so they gotta have a croissant. I rate Rome's McDonald's a 6.9. I enjoyed the creativity of the bakery, and I loved them chicken wings, but it was just cooked by McDonald's workers. I kind of like it. I kind of approve, and I might try it again.
Nashville hot chicken tenders and mac and cheese.
Trying Chicago deep dish pizza for the first time.
Not bad. All right, there you go. Jazz Cam, no, you went to the wrong way, went to the wrong place. Well, if I went to the other place, that'd have been the wrong place. And y'all, you know, I think I can. Head that cheese pool.
And I know what y'all thinking. Why didn't y'all just share one? Because I didn't want sausage in mine.
She'll get sausage later.
Let's see that cheese pool I be seeing online.
Talk to me, Nye. Look at my cheese pool, Nye. That shit's falling apart. Not bad. All right, there you go.
Okay.
Jazz and Cam, these aren't deep dish. These are just stuffed pizzas. Shut the hell up. I got that damn special sausage, mushrooms, green peppers, and onions.
So mine's stuffed with pepperonis in the middle too, because I got pepperonis on top.
I don't know, honey. It's my first time here.
Me too. Well, there's my cheese, and that's all I tasted. Let me take that cheese, put it on top of there, and get some of the crust in this bite. Look at how thick the slices are. The sauce on it is more of like a sweet, savory sauce, not that
robust,
bold. Yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all it is mainly cheese, but I mean we eat mozzarella sticks every other day.
Chili's,
so I love it.
Go. I got some Calibran hot honey. This might be a crime Chicago, but they had it available, so I got it. And y'all lucky if they have honey massage, because I'd have been on that. I really enjoy this pizza.
Now that's what I'm talking about, Chicago's. Let's see how much of a cheese pool this pizza's got. Y'all ready?
I think I can. Head that cheese pool. Okay, we got it. And I know what y'all are gonna say. Giordano's is more of a touristy spot. We don't even eat deep dish pizza here in Chicago. I had to get it.
How do you know they're gonna say that?
I was under other creators' comment section. I
would have liked more of a well done bake though. Y'all know we love a little crunch and some little cheese. And
I asked the dude back there hey boss man, can I get a well done bake? He talking about some no.
You did not ask that man that. We literally ordered this online. Why are you lying? Y'all, this pizza's really good. If this ain't the best pizza in Chicago, what is?
They're gonna be like damn Perquads or damn Gino East or damn, they had a lot of crap they was saying, Jack.
First time trying Little Caesars?
We got Chipotle and crunchy cheese shells. So fire. Look at that. Also guys, comment below your favorite fast food orders. I really want to do a series where I try your favorite orders from any place you can think of. Subway, Taco Bell, McDonald's. Just comment down below. Happy Cinco de Mayo. That was much needed.
Alright guys, I'm back and I got some Five Guys. So I got a grilled cheeseburger and I got it with 5 patties. Look at that. That's crazy. But I got onions, grilled peppers, and grilled mushrooms, not grilled peppers. And I got fries. I got the toppings on the side just because I knew how messy this was going to be. But let's take a bite. It was actually really funny because when I ordered the 5 patties, the cashier lady, she was like very much like in shock, and I was like, she was like, "Are you sure?" And I was like, "No, yeah, I want 5 patties." I've never tried their Cajun fries before. I only usually get their regular ones, so let's see how these are. These are really good. Alright, so I'm gonna take a bite and add some mayo. I'm not gonna lie, I do like the Cajun fries a lot better than the regular fries. I think I'm gonna start getting 5 patties on my burgers going forward because this is a lot better than the regular size. Let's take the last bite of the burger.
So we got Taco Bell today. This is the new quesarito. Pretty good. Let's try their chalupa next. Next, we got these dipping burritos. All right, let's try their chicken tenders now. They're all right. Then we got my favorite, chicken quesadilla with no cuts, and not 1, but 2 Doritos tacos. Boom. And then for dessert, we got their Cinnabons. That's really good. We don't do that.
Wendy's. Spicy nugget. Baconator. Ranch. Let's try the new tenders. Barbecue. This is some type of spicy sauce. Mmm. The chicken tenders taste like the nuggets. Like exactly like the nuggets. Just like in chicken tender form. This is Wendy's signature sauce. Let's see what that tastes like. That's pretty good. Mmm. Mm-hmm. This is so good. I love this sweet chili sauce. It's actually pretty spicy.
Time to muck some chicks. Filet! You thought I was talking about actual women. No, I'm scared of women. Jalapeno holy fuck! Jalapeno ranch club sandwich. I'm gonna have to give that one an 8.5, 372 out of 10. The jalapenos, those were freaking, you know what? I thought they were gonna be way spicier, but this time, when I ate something spicy, it did not pop a hemorrhoid or anything like that. So I'm very proud of that. My doctor will be happy to hear that. Grilled club. That shit was drier than any girl on any dating app ever, where you're like, hey, what up, girl? You're so fine. What you doing this weekend? Nothing. Do you want to hang out or not? Maybe. I might be doing something. Bitch, you just said you were not doing anything, motherfucker, bitch! What the fuck? Mac and cheese with bacon bits in it? You can have some if you want it. Mmm. I like this mac and cheese with the crust on it. She's zesty. Mac and cheese, you're getting a 9.49372 out of 10. That shit was unbelievable. I mean, it was pretty good. No, it wasn't fucking pretty good. That shit was fucking unreal. Wasn't it? No, no, no! This is my show. This is my channel. I can do whatever the fuck I want. This is my shit. Fuck yeah! I got the mac and cheese. I got the mac and cheese. You don't. You can't even taste it, you fuck! Tenders! Mmm. Tenders are a lot like poop. When it comes to the structural design of them, I fuck with it. I see why they were doing that, because it looks like a turd, and you know, when like turds are crunchy, that means like your poop is really healthy, and especially because my turds look like this. That shit comes out like ice cream. I just grab that shit and I just eat it. I haven't shit in a toilet in fucking years. Fries, cookie. Mmm. 9.85. Oh, wow. That was kind of unbelievable. Kind of reminds me a lot of whenever I get pat on the head and get called a good boy. They coddle me and they tell me how amazing I am at everything. They say that I'm a king and a god among men, while they just do whatever the hell that they want to do to me. What the fuck? That's not what I meant.
McDonald's versus Burger King, which one is the better drive-thru? So for McDonald's, I got a quarter pounder, medium fry, 4-piece nuggets, and a medium Sprite. That came out to $14.75. And from Burger King, I got a Whopper with cheese meal, medium, with fries, Sprite, and then also 4-piece of their nuggets. Theirs came out to $17.08. Let's start off with the fries. First up, we got McDonald's. These are really fresh and salted to perfection. These are one of the best fries in the fast food game. Now for Burger King's. I like how these ones are a little crispier, but they do need a little bit of salt. Otherwise, they're really good. Now let's get into the burgers. You can definitely tell Burger King's is a lot bigger. Let's start with McDonald's. It's honestly one of my favorite fast food burgers. Just the flavor of the patty, it's so good. Now it's time for Burger King's. The presentation is really good. With Burger King's, you can taste the freshness. I think it just really comes from the lettuce and tomato that's added on. Y'all having a hard time. All these have been so good so far. Let's go on with the Sprites. Whew. McDonald's Sprite is always so electrifying. It's so good. Now Burger King's. Something about Burger King's, they have like this extra syrupy flavor that I like. So obviously theirs is good too. Lastly, we have the nuggets. Start with McDonald's. Such a classic. What stands out for McDonald's nuggets are definitely the outside breading. Now we have Burger King's, and they currently have their vampire nuggets. The one thing I've never been a fan of at Burger King is their nuggets. I think it's really the breading. It doesn't really taste too crispy. But the positive thing about these nuggets is that they're decently seasoned. Based on the ratings I gave, McDonald's is definitely our winner. I think the main differences on why they won was because obviously they're nuggets. Also, the fries were salted to perfection while Burger King's weren't too salted. So do you guys like McDonald's or Burger King better? Let me know in the comments.
Aujourd'hui, on teste Chili's. C'est parti. On commence par les Nashville Mozzarella Hot Sticks. Let's see how many cheese pool I can get. Let's tremper ça dans la ranch. Chili's, you never deceive me. Chili's, vous avez vraiment les meilleurs mozzarella sticks au monde. Je kiffe 10 sur 10. Also got the triple deeper. On enchaîne avec les chicken crispers. Je vais essayer avec un pickles comme chez Dave's. Bien crispy. Les tenders sont incroyables et vous devez vraiment ajouter des cornichons Chili's. Let me try this bad boy. Les tenders sont très très bons. Honnêtement, je pense qu'il n'y a pas besoin de rajouter de sauce. Tenders, ça doit rester bien crispy et ils portent vraiment bien leur nom. Ils croustillent pas mal, mais regarde à quel point ils sont puffy, on dirait un oreiller, j'ai envie de dormir dessus. La mozzarella, elle est juste folle, j'ai jamais mangé des mozzarella sticks aussi bons. Chili's, vous êtes les best. Rien à voir avec celui que j'ai testé à Dubaï, vraiment. Celui-là est 100 fois meilleur. Je directement avec les Southwestern Egg Rolls. Ok, let me try this combo. Holy damn, this is huge. Non, là c'est trop. Let's give it a shot, guys. Man, I love egg rolls. Wow, les egg rolls, ils sont juste remplis de haricots, je kiffe. On a aussi du petit maïs. This is really good. Je lui mets 9,3 sur 10. Next, we got this crazy good looking Big Mouth Bites. Donc ça, c'est un burger avec de la sauce, des espèces d'oignons en dessous. Let's try with the ranch first. The steak is good, hein. Très bien assaisonné. On a aussi une petite tranche de cheddar. Nice. Enfin, on termine par le magnifique honey chipotle. On a du miel piquant sur le mozzarella sticks. Oh, on va se faire un combo pour former le Big Mouth Bite Mozzarella Sticks honey chipotle. Bon appétit. J'aime tellement les honey chipotle, les boys. Where the fuck is my chipotle? This is actually so good. Essayer une dernière fois. Ok. Je pense que les honey chipotle ils doivent pas marcher. Ok. Alors je pensais que j'allais préférer les honey chipotle, mais en vrai les Nashville c'est les meilleurs. 9,9 pour ça. Et pour le dessert les boys, je nous ai trouvé des magnifiques Oreo au Reese's, le meilleur combo des deux meilleurs biscuits au monde. That looks insane, ça peut pas être mauvais franchement. Regarde la crème à l'intérieur, cheers. Le goût de peanut butter est insane. Là, la crème à l'intérieur, vraiment, elle est super bonne. Hein. Berry 6 sur 10, c'est vraiment excellent, mais je pense que je préfère les Oreo méga stuff avec full crème dedans. Avant de toi, n'oublie pas de me dire dans les commentaires ce que tu détestes.
Wingstop citrus mojito. Citrus Mojo fries. Hot honey. This is mango habanero. Dang, she's all juicy. Be right back. I'm not gonna lie, this is overly salty. Ooh, look at that. Okay, one last bite and then it's peace out. Okay. Cheers.